Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Englishvish. I am really happy you are here. Please sit comfortably. Relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath. This video is not a lesson. This video is not hard. This video is a soft story. A story about speaking like a local. A soft question for you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt this? You know English words. You know grammar rules. But still, you do not sound natural. You speak English, but it feels slow, heavy, not smooth. You listen to native speakers, and you think, how do they speak so easily? How do they sound so real? If you feel this, please stay with me. You are not alone. A small story, very important. I want to tell you a small story. There was a person, just like you. This person studied English for many years. School English. Book English. But when this person spoke, it sounded different. Correct. But not natural. People understood. But it did not feel like real English conversation. This person felt shy. Quiet. A little sad. Maybe this story feels familiar. Light bulb the big truth, listen softly. Now listen very carefully, my friend. Local people do not speak big English. They do not speak perfect English. They speak simple English. They use daily sentences. Small sentences. Easy sentences. That is the secret. The key to speak like a local. If you want to speak like a local, do not start with grammar. Do not start with long words. Start with daily sentences. Sentences that people use every day. At home. At work. On the street. With friends. Let's begin the story. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. A local person wakes up too. What does a local say? Not, I am awakening from my sleep. No. A local says, I just woke up. I feel sleepy. I need coffee. Simple. Natural. Sentence set 1, morning talk. Let us start with morning sentences. Say them slowly. Feel them. Good morning. I just woke up. I feel tired today. I need some tea. Today feels busy. These are spoken English sentences. Real English conversation. Why these sentences matter? Because local people talk about feelings, not rules. They talk about sleep, food, work, mood. You can do this too. Sentence set 2, daily life talk. Now imagine your day. You go out. You work. You study. A local may say, I am on my way. I am a bit late. It's a long day. I am done for today. I need some rest. Very simple. Very real. Speak slowly. Speak softly. Do not rush. Local English is calm. It flows like water. You do not need speed. You need comfort. Sentence set 3, food talk, very common. People love food. Local people talk about food every day. Try these. I am hungry. Let's eat something. This tastes good. I like this. I am full now. Easy English. Daily English. How to practice these sentences. Here is a small habit. Every day. Choose 5 sentences. Speak them aloud. In front of a mirror. While walking. While cooking. This is English speaking practice. Use music to feel local English. Listen to slow English songs. Do not worry about meaning. Just feel the sound. Sing softly. Your mouth learns. Your ear learns. Watch like a local. Watch short videos. Simple shows. Daily talk videos. Do not pause too much. Listen for tone. Listen for feeling. Sentence set 4, night talk. At night, locals speak like this. I am tired. It was a long day. I need sleep. See you tomorrow. Good night. This is spoken English. This is real life. Think less. Feel more. Do not translate in your head. Just speak. Even if wrong. Flow is more important than perfect words. Mistakes are your friends. Please remember this. Local speakers make mistakes too. But they do not stop. They continue. That is confidence. Sentence set 5, feelings and emotions. Local English is emotional. Try these. I feel good. I feel low today. I am happy. I am worried. It's okay. These sentences connect hearts. You are not weak. If English feels hard, it does not mean you are weak. It means you are learning something new. Learning takes time. Small daily habit, very powerful. One habit can change everything. Every day, speak 10 simple sentences. Only 5 minutes. That is enough. This is how locals learn language too. No big books needed. You do not need heavy books. You need daily words. Daily life English. After some days, something changes. You feel lighter, calmer, more confident. English feels friendly. Not scary. You belong here. My friend. You belong in English. You belong in conversations. You belong in confidence. If this video makes you feel calm, please like this video. If you want more daily English stories, subscribe to Englishvish. And comment below. I will speak daily. I will see it. I will smile. Always remember this, my friend. Small daily practice is enough. Learning takes time. And you are doing well. Thank you for listening. See you again on Englishvish.